I'm going to teach you how to create a blueprint size paper to which you will put all your drawings in our present architectural plans. Okay. This is the sample of the blueprint size, and then the dimensions are given here, and then the title block. Okay, so here is the steps. When you open your file, for example your architectural plans, and you want to place all your uh, drawings doon sa blueprint size, the first thing to do is to create the blueprint size paper. Okay, first step is go to here, layout, right click muna, and then you have to rename the uh, layout 1 into, let's say, blueprint architectural plans. So this is the name of the paper, and then you click the blueprint application, architectural plans, and then right click, then go to page setup manager. Dun sa page setup manager, you can see the blueprint architectural plans there, and you have to modify so that the size would be the size of a blueprint. Go to printer or plotter, then click the button here and find the DWG to PDF. After choosing DW to PDF, go to properties, and then look for custom paper size. Then you're going to add the paper. Next, you just click next here. Then the size is, you are going to type the 762 width, and then the 508 length, but that should be in millimeters. 762 508. Yan. So you have to make sure that that should be in millimeters, and then click next. The printable area is 13. You have to set that in 0, all 0. Then next, and then you have to change the name of the paper into blueprint AP. Then next, and then finish. You just click finish, and then okay. Then now you go to paper size and find the one that you created, the blueprint architectural plan. So this is the paper size, 762 by 508. Then you come here and select monochrome, then okay. In here, the current paper size now is the blueprint AP. So close that. So this is the size now of the blueprint AP. So next is we are going to draw now the size, this one, the border 25 all over, and then the title block that is 535. So to do that is you have to set first the UCS, then click UCS icon, click origin, then create a rectangle, but it must be in 0, 0, so that it will follow the point here, the reference point here, 0x and 0y, and then type the area of your paper, 762, 508, enter. So this is now the size of your paper. Then you're going to offset that into 25. Yan. So you have created na yung border natin na 25, this one. Okay, from the edge of the paper, and then the border line is 25. Next is you are going to create na yung title block natin dito. Then you have to explode the line, explode. Then you're going to offset this into 40. Offset into 40. Then offset into 5. Offset into 5. Next is draw a line here. Line. And follow the distance from here. You offset this into, from this line, you offset this into 200, and then later on 50 and 50. So offset this into 200, then offset this into 50, then another 50, and then next one is we'll check the other 150, 120, 100, 42. So let us offset again from here, 150, 120, 142. So go back, offset 150, then 100, then 42. Wait, we'll come back from here, 120, 100, 120, 150, I should say 150, 120, 100, 150, 120, 100. So offset this into 120, then 100. So this becomes 42. Next, after giving the sizes of your title block, we're going to type na yung mga content. The first content is check by. So we're going to use empty command. Then here, click doon sa corner, then this corner, Then make sure that the height here is let's say 2.5. Then type check by caps lock check by. Then you will just copy CO this one, and then you will just change it later on. Then now another text here, the name of the teacher, so empty, and click here, and then that corner change the size, that is 5. So Roger C. Bea. Make sure that nasa center siya, and enter. Then using the control and arrow keys to bring it down. Then create a line here at midpoint, enter. And then little stretch 20. Paliitin lang yung line 20. Then another empty here, this only, and that one. Then make it 2.5, and then center, then type teacher. Then okay, so that's how to create the title block. You just follow the title block na binigay ko sa group chat natin. Then click all, then use arrow to set, to adjust. Then rename the content, check by time started, or date started. Date fixed, and so forth and so on. You just change that one, and nandun naman sa group chat natin ilagay yung mga content, date started, date finish. This one is you just approximately offset this line, create a line here 10, and then divide that, and then the remaining is put rating, and then the plate title is architectural plans. So binigay ko yan sa mismong group chat natin, itong mismong ginawa kong title block. So you will just follow na lang. About this one is you just divide this into half, and then another half, then divide another half, and then another half. that's how to draw the blueprint size with the title block of your architectural plans, uh, plate number 2-2. So okay, so that's all. I will be showing you again another video about how to insert your drawing with these spaces that you've created in your blueprint paper.